can check your EPF balance via the EPFO portal SMS by giving a missed call or the UMANG app. Stay tuned until the end of the video to watch the live demo of how you can check your EPFO balance online and offline. Hi everyone, I am Prarthana from Clio. We are India's largest tax and financial services platform where we have served more than 6 million tax filers. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about business and taxation concepts.
Visit the EPF website, that is epfindia.gov.in. Under the Services tab, click on For Employees. Under the Services heading, click on Member Passbook. Enter your UAN, password and click on Login. Select your member ID from the drop-down box. Click on View Passbook Old Full. Your PF details will be displayed on the screen. To print your passbook, click on Download Passbook option and take the printout of the downloaded PDF passbook.
Once the UAN is integrated with your KYC details, follow these steps.
Send an SMS to mobile number 7738299899 and then the message will be shown in the format as shown on the screen.
Did the explanation make sense so far? If it did, write clear in the comment section below. You can inquire about your EPF balance by giving a missed call to the authorized phone from your registered mobile number. This service is only available upon the integration of your UAN with your KYC details. Once the UAN is integrated with your KYC details, follow the steps mentioned hereafter.
Give a missed call to 01122901406 from your registered mobile number. After placing a missed call, you will receive an SMS with your PF details.
Employees can check their EPF balance on their phones by downloading the Unified Mobile Application for New Age Governance, that is the UMANG app. Members must complete a one-time registration using their UAN registered cell phone number to access the app. Let us have a look at how you can use the UMANG app to view your EPF transactions.
Download the UMANG app from the Google Play Store or App Store. Select the EPFO option listed under All Services tab. Under Employee-Centric Service, click on View Passbook and enter your UAN and OTP.
So folks, I hope you have enough clarity on how to check the EPF balance online and offline. If you have any questions regarding tax audits, please feel free to comment below. For queries related to business or finance, you can contact our experts by clicking on the chat link provided in the description box below. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel for content that is more informative and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you and goodbye.